The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.
Welcome back. There is hope for women experiencing changes with menopause and post-childbirth. Here to tell us more about a 9-minute procedure that can bring restoration to women's vaginal health is age management specialist from Tampa Bay Total Wellness, Tammy Oberbreckling. Tammy, it's great to see you as always.
You too, Gail. Thank you.
So this sounds remarkable. What are the changes that women experience after childbirth and during menopause that you can correct?
So a lot of women after childbirth, the number one thing we hear is they wet their pants when they sneeze, cough, or exercise. Kind of lose sensation down there because, you know, of the stretching of childbirth. And then there's just the physical changes. They don't think it looks the same way it did in prior to childbirth. With menopause, when a woman's hormones change, it's very hard on the vagina. The vagina dries out, sex becomes painful, you know, and women lose their ability to orgasm.
So talk to me about the Diva and how it helps.
So the Diva laser, we've been using it for 2 years. It's amazing. So it is a non-ablative laser for the internal aspect of the vagina. So this mighty laser burns these little holes into the walls of the vagina, and it brings sensitivity back, tightness back, strengthens the anterior wall so we don't have urinary incontinence anymore, balances the flora, and just brings pleasure back in our relationships.
So who can benefit from this?
Everyone. We have young women who are coming in that are just unhappy with the look of their vagina because the Diva Tight can fix the exterior, tighten the lips, help with dark pigmentation. Or women that are experiencing some of the symptoms we talked about. We'll go through a series of 3, and they've all had great results.
And Tammy, I know that you had the treatment done yourself, and I think this is really incredible. I want to play a little sound of your reaction to the procedure because you might be out there, women going, I don't know about all this, but you can see from Tammy herself how easy it is. Take a look.
The numbing cream really works. I don't feel much, just kind of a odd feeling, I would say. Pressure, little zing every once in a while, but very, very comfortable, not uncomfortable by any means.
All right, so you were pretty descriptive there. Tell me more about the experience.
So it was interesting. I've had 3, so we recommend them in a series of 3. I had 2 done, and you know, I'm kind of newly married. I've been with my husband now 4 years, and he said, maybe 2's enough. And I kind of laughed. He's like, I can't keep up with you. So we put the 3rd one on hold, and then I found out from the office staff he purchased the 3rd one for his birthday present.
Ah, I love that. That's great. So that means he loved it. So what does the treatment involve?
So it is a painless procedure. We do use numbing cream for you to be more comfortable. It's not any more than a pelvic examination. The laser does fire 3 minutes, 3 times, a total of 9 minutes. A woman might experience some mild cramping, some spotting for 2 days, but it's relatively minor overall.
That is incredible. So, you know, stuff to fix this before, procedures, I should say, were pretty invasive and painful, but not this.
And they always didn't have a good outcome. We've taken hundreds of women through the series of 3, and everybody has had good results, and only one woman didn't complete the treatment. So that is a very successful outcome.
Without a doubt. All right, Tammy, thanks for sharing this with our
welcome.
Bloom viewers. Diva Vaginal Restoration is a gift for you and your relationship. So schedule now to buy 2 to get 1 free. Call now 1-888-8AGE-WELL or visit TampaBayTotalWellness.com. We'll be right back.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.